Okay, hello. This is one of two or three short videos, I hope, that help you with various formatting issues based on some examples which I've taken from actual exams that people are taken. I hope the names are not evident, and some of them are very good and all of them can be fixed. So that's the spirit in which they're presented. You can see from the screen, I hope, you can see that there's three topics that we want to discuss. One is ways to add figures or graphics. That's topic B. We already did topic A. That's formatting for inline grading, just basically small fonts, different colors for the question and the answer. And then topic C, the third, is equations. When you need equations, how to put them in, different options. And then the final topic, which will definitely be a different video, is how to copy things, pictures, figures, tables, into a presentation and how to annotate them. So the first topic, the first is ways to add figures or graphics, and one way to do it is just to draw your own. And here's an example of someone who drew their own and did all the basic things without, maybe because they had a course with me before, but you can see there are little equations here. I don't know what these symbols are. They're probably just something they didn't copy well. But the nice thing is the figures are numbered sequentially. They're very clear. Figure 2, what is it? Arrows. So here we are. They're all hand drawn, but very easy to read. And except for this one is an exception. These two. They have figures 1, figure 2. Here's another figure 1. It would be better if this was figure 5, but it's fine. And incidentally, we talked about this last time, but these are beautiful references, and some of them are the ones that already came with the question, but some of them were added, and the formatting of the question, incidentally, here is perfect here. So this is one option, one good option for doing your own drawings. I don't know what I changed, but there it is. Here's another option. Here's the second option, which is just a copy from the, this is actually perfect. Just copy these from the reference, which is here. It's one of the texts for the course. So here's figure 5.3. Notice the discussion has Y subscript T, same Greek letters. The page, that's critical. Where did this come from? So here you've just copied, and one of the things which is always a good idea, and I hope I mentioned this before, is no matter how you cut and paste, you can improve the contrast here if you want to. This is already pretty good. We don't need to do that. But you can also, more importantly, just click cut. Just cut it. And then paste it again, paste special, and pick enhance meta file. If you don't do that, gradually your file will become huge and awkward to save and submit and everything else. So it seems trivial, but this thing of cutting and just pasting again enhanced meta files will help everyone a lot and save disk space and so on and so forth. So this is the second method. Just copy the diagrams from the text and just be sure and put the page and add your own discussion to make sure it's clear that you understand what's going on. So that's the second way to add graphics. The third possibility is yes, well, no, the second possibility is that you draw your own, but they don't come out well. And so we have an example of what happens when this happens. And I hope we have an example here. I think we have an example. Let's see. And we wouldn't show you unless we could fix it, of course. We're going to fix it. Yes, here's an example where we have, sort of dull figures, and it looks like they're numbered. There's figure 1. They look like the other figures. Anyway, they look like, but they're definitely not because they're black and white. And also they're all called figure 1. That doesn't do any good. They're all called figure 1. So I already fixed these in another file. Let me see if I can find it to show you what it looks like after you fix these. Yes, here it is. Here's the same file after I fixed them. Considerable effort. I lightened them, and since figure 1 is here, but you can add the figure number here, and here I put figure 2. And the way you do it is you right click the figure, usually if you're lucky. Let's do it. Here it is. And you put insert caption, and there it is. There's figure 3. And it doesn't have the marker for dollars. I added that later. But you can add it there above. And then if you have a source, you put the label above. So this is a feature of Word. It doesn't work well because the defaults are bad, but you can fix it. And you can, this is the market for dollars diagram or something, whatever it is. I don't know what's going on here actually. But there it is, and you can adjust it so that, and you can almost see it now. And this is figure 5, which I guessed what was going on there and put a title. So there it is. And here's one that hasn't been fixed yet, so that maybe I can show you how to fix it. You click the picture options, picture tools. If you don't have Word, this is sort of a waste. And then you crop it. You crop it down like this. And then that gets rid of a lot of the picture. And now you can make the part that you need bigger. And you go to corrections. And you correct it. And so we've taken this picture and almost salvaged it. Not quite. There it is. That's good. And then we can right click and insert this. It automatically is numbered for us figure 6, and this is an increase evidently in non-traded goods sector productivity. I don't know what's going on here, but you could put something relevant here, and there it is. And then the print's going to be too small, but you can fix that. You can make it like 16 or 20 or something. There it is. That's good. Fix the spelling error, which Word will show you. And so there, we've taken this pretty bad, impossible to read figure, and we've transformed it into something that you can read. And I think that's it for this. Let me, the next one is equation, so let's stop this.